The moon is heavy on my tired eyes. I'm tracing patterns on the ceiling blue. I'm not looking for a grand prize. I'm just terrified of losing view of the only soul that's close to me tonight. Even if it's wrong, even if it's lied. So wrap your mercy around my shivering bones. Don't leave me dancing in the land of stones. The night is wide and I am small and cold. Give me a story that has not been told. Just stay until the stars begin to fade, before the debts of yesterday are paid. Your breathing is the only song I know, a rhythmic anchor in a drifting sea. I'm not asking for the seeds to grow, just a momentary sanctuary. The door is locked against the coming gray. Help me keep the winter miles away. So wrap your mercy around my shivering bones. Don't leave me dancing in the land of storms. The night is wide and I am small and cold. Give me a story that has not been told. Just stay until the stars begin to fade, before the debts of yesterday are paid. Oh, hold the light, hold the light. Don't let the darkness fight. I'm reaching out, I'm crying out. Shadow on the pillow, don't let go. Don't let go. You're wearing that smile like a tailored suit, but I see the threads coming loose at the seams. The truth in your pocket is bitter fruit, and I'm just the ghost in your midnight dreams. I heard the door click at 3:30. You didn't know I was wide awake, honey. I'm not the heart that you're keeping tonight. I'm just the candle that's losing its light. You look in my eyes, but you're seeing her face, leaving me here in this cold, hollow space. You're playing a game, is a brand new name, a fragrance of lies that I can't ignore. You're playing it cool, but it's all a shame. I'm finding your footprints outside the door. Don't tell me you're tired, don't tell me you're true. I'm tired of being the shadow of you. I'm not the heart that you're keeping tonight. I'm just the candle that's losing its light. You look in my eyes, but you're seeing her face, leaving me here in this cold, hollow space. You're playing a game where nobody wins. I'm wearing the scars of your secret sins. How does it feel to live in a lie? Do you even care when you see me cry? I'm done with the games. The chair is still empty, and I'm finally seeing the truth. The shadow on the wall is getting tall. The morning light is what I fear the most. Don't leave your ghost inside this empty hall. I'm shivering, leaning against the post. I know this isn't love, just a place to hide, but the silence is a tide I can't survive. So won't you drift a little longer in the dark before the sun comes tearing us apart? I'm just a spark that's fading in the rain. Hold my hand and numb the rising pain. Just for a second, pretend you're mine. Keep the ticking clock behind the line. The coffee's cold and words are hard to find. I'm tracing every line upon your palm. Leave the reason and the truth behind. In this storm, you are the only calm. It's not a promise, it's just a plea to stop the lonely from drowning me. So won't you drift a little longer in the dark before the sun comes tearing us apart? pretend you're mine. Keep the ticking clock behind the line. Just a little longer in the dark. Showed up right on time, had roses and reservations, thought everything was fine. You walked in looking gorgeous, sat down and smiled at me, then said you needed space now, like that was news to me. I should have seen the signs, honey, they were right there on the wall. But love makes a fool of everyone, and I answered every call. Supposed to do night is still young, baby, and I got nowhere to be. Just you and this feeling, and the way you're looking at me. I try to play it cool, girl, you know I really did try. But every time you smile like that, I forget about goodbye.
Something about tonight, tonight got me feeling right.
So right,
so right. Can't let you go tonight.
not when you're feeling this close.
Can't let you go tonight.
You're the one I want the most.
Stay a little longer, let the music play on. Can't let you go tonight.
Till the break of dawn.
I see the way you're looking, like you got something to say. Whatever you're thinking, honey, don't you let it slip away. I've been waiting all evening for you to make your move. So stop all that hesitating and just step into my groove.
Something about tonight,
Yeah, tonight got me feeling right.
so right.
Can't let you go tonight.
Not when you're feeling this close.
Can't let you go tonight.
You're the one I want the most.
Stay a little longer, let the music play on. Can't let you go tonight.
Till the break of dawn. Just stay a little while.
Don't go, not when you make me smile.
Let the night take over.
Let the feeling grow.
Nowhere else I'd rather be.
Nowhere I'd rather go.
Just stay.
Can't let you go tonight.
Not when you're feeling this close.
Can't let you go tonight.
You're the one I want the most.
Stay a little longer, let the music play on. Can't let you go tonight.
Till the break of dawn. Into a space where nothing remained, you finally came. The kind of person I feel I know. Without a single word spoken, I never knew what it was like to feel this way. But standing here before you, I'm utterly speechless. I can't even find a name for this feeling. I just find myself constantly thinking of you. In the place where you stay, a lingering warmth remains. In the hours without you, it's that warmth that I crave. I never knew the word love could feel so small and hollow. I never knew until you arrived. My ordinary days are starting to look so different. The difference between you being here and not is everything to me. I don't wanna lose a single bit of this sensation. Even when I'm close, I wanna be closer to you. My words are still clumsy, and I'm taking the long way around. But please know this heart of mine is nothing but the truth. In the place where you stay, lingering warmth remains. In the hours without you, it's that warmth that I crave. I never knew the word love could feel so small and hollow. I never knew until you arrived. No matter where I go in this world, the place I eventually return to is wherever you happen to be. I finally realize it now. It's okay if I'm late, because I finally reached this place right by your side. In the place where you stay, lingering warmth remains. In the hours without you, it's that warmth that I crave. I never knew the word love could feel so small and hollow. I never knew until you arrived. Before you arrived, I never knew. I never knew the place where you stay is still warm, and that's enough. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. I've seen a lot of things in my time on this earth, but nothing prepared me for what you're worth. The way you walk into a room like you own every second. Every eye follows after you, and you don't even reckon. Something about you stops me in my tracks. Something I can't name, but I keep coming back. The way you move me like nothing ever has. The way you move me is making me believe that everything I prayed for was worth waiting for. The way you move me right down to my core. I've tried to put it into words, but language falls short. You're every beautiful thing I never thought I could. The grace, the strength, the softness, and the fire. Everything about you just takes me higher. Can't explain it, can't contain it. was worth waiting for. The way you move me right down to my was worth waiting for. The way you move me, the way you move me, right down to my You said you needed freedom. I said go right ahead. Handed you your jacket, held the door and smiled instead. Thought that I'd be crying, thought I'd fall apart. Funny how the exit sometimes heals the heart. I used to think I needed you to make my world feel right. Turns out all I needed was one good Friday night. Walking away with style, head up and smiling wide. Walking away with style, got nothing left to hide. Gave you all I had, honey, you gave me the cue. Walking away with style, best thing I ever knew. My boy says celebration, crack the bottle open wide. Put on my best outfit, stepped out into the night. Saw you across the room there, you looked my way and froze. Amazing how much taller a man stands when he goes. Funny how the leaving feels lighter than the stay. Funny how you find yourself when someone walks away. Walking away with style, head up and smiling wide. Walking away with style, got nothing left to hide. Gave you all I had, honey, you gave me the cue. Walking away with style, best thing I ever knew. never knew.
I never thought I'd find the one who fits so right, someone who could make an ordinary night feel like a dream. I've been down this road before and kept on walking past. Never thought that I would find the kind of love that lasts. But here you are, and here I am, and everything just makes sense now. I wanna be the one you call when everything falls through. I wanna be the arms you run to when the day is done.
Right where I belong
is right here by your side,
right where I belong
for the rest of my life.
I used to keep my guard up, afraid to let love in. Every time I tried before, it always hurt again.
But something about the way you hold me makes me feel so safe, like every wall I ever built just slowly melts away.
And here you are,
And here I am, and nothing else matters now.
be the one you call.
Ooh, when everything falls through,
I wanna be the arms you run to,
when the day is done,
right where I belong,
is right here by your side,
right where I belong
for the rest of my life. Say you'll stay,
I'm not going anywhere.
say you'll never leave.
I'll always be right here.
No more wondering, no more holding back.
This is everything I prayed for,
And I'm
never looking back. I wanna be the one you call.
oh, when everything falls through,
I wanna be the arms you run to,
when the day is done,
right where I belong,
is right here by your side,
right where I belong,
for the rest of my life.
right where I belong, forever by your side.
I used to think that being strong but never showing what was wrong. I carried every broken piece and called it peace. But walls I built to keep me safe became the walls I couldn't face. And somewhere in the silence I lost my way. It took the fall to make me see what was always there inside of me. When all is said and done, and all the noise is gone, what matters most is what remains. When all is said and done, beyond the hurt and struggle, love is the only thing that ever stays. I've worn a smile like armor now for longer than I should allow, pretending that the storm inside had somewhere to hide. But grace came knocking quite soft when I had nearly given up, and everything I thought I'd lost came back as love. Sometimes you have to let it break before you find what healing takes. When all is said and done, and all the noise is gone, what matters most is what remains. When all is said and done, beyond the hurt and struggle, love is the only thing that ever stays. I don't need all the answers now. I just need to believe somehow that every road that broke me down was leading somewhere. Through the fire, through the rain, through every loss and every gain, in the